The time is currently 1:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time. You are listening to NWR Weather Radio All Hazards, station WXM 90 in Jacksonville. The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 712, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Brown, Calhoun, Cass, Greene, Morgan, Pike, and Scott. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NWR Weather Radio, commercial radio or television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The time is currently 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time. You are listening to NWR Weather Radio All Hazards, station WXM. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Morgan County, Western Sangamon County, Central Scott County, until 2:45 p.m. At 2:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Rigston, or near Merritt, moving east at 45 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Lineville and Jacksonville and surrounding areas. Expected hazards include grapefruit-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been reported by the public. At 2 p.m., grapefruit-size hail was recently reported in Rigston, Illinois. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Exeter, Merritt, Rigston, Lineville, Jacksonville, South Jacksonville, Arnold, Pisgah, Alexander, New Berlin, Bates, and Lomé. You are listening to NWR Weather Radio All Hazards, station WXM 90 in Jacksonville.